In Korea, we don't say
apartment,
but say 아파트. 아파트, 아파트.
아파트 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 아파트.
안녕하세요. Hello everyone. This is Ting Sam, your amazing Korean tutor. Today, we're diving into something really interesting, the cultural significance of apartments in Korea. And what better timing than now with Bruno Mars and Rose's hit song Apartment, 아파트, taking over the charts. We might think an apartment is just a place to live, but in Korea, it's so much more than that. It's a status symbol, an investment, and a huge part of Korean culture.
The numbers tell the story. Approximately 60% of all South Koreans live in apartments. Seoul alone has over 2.8 million apartment units. About 7 out of 10 households in Seoul live in apartments. Types of housing in Korea. Let's break down the main types of residential buildings you'll find. 1. Apartments, high-rise buildings, usually over 15 floors. Part of large complexes with amenities. Most prestigious form of housing. 2. Villa, low-rise buildings, usually 2 to 5 floors. More affordable than apartments. Popular among young professionals. 3. Single-family homes, traditional Korean houses. Becoming increasingly rare in cities. Often seen in older neighborhoods. 4. Residential commercial buildings, mixed-use buildings. Shops on lower floors, apartments above. Common in busy urban areas. Cultural significance. In Korean media, the type of apartment a character lives in instantly tells viewers about their social status. It's like how cars are status symbols in American shows.
Wow.
But apartments are an even bigger deal in Korea. The apartment revolution. 1970s. Massive apartment construction begins. 1980s. Apartments become aspirational. 1990s present. Luxury apartment culture emerges. Investment value. Korean apartments aren't just homes. They're the primary investment vehicle for many families. Some luxury apartments in Gangnam have increased in value by over 300% in the past decade. Modern apartment features: smart home technology, community facilities, security systems, parking spaces, brand recognition. Price of apartments. As of 2024, the average apartment price in Seoul is around 1.19 billion KRW, approximately 885,000 USD. Gangnam, one of the most expensive districts, has an average apartment price of 2.58 billion KRW, around 1.9 million USD, close to its all-time high from 2021. The most expensive apartment currently on record is 91 Hanam in Yongsan District, Seoul. A unit there sold for 20 billion KRW, about 14.5 million USD, in 2024. Meanwhile, the penthouse Cheongdam in Gangnam is another luxury option, with prices reaching 16.24 billion KRW, around 12.43 million USD. The APT song connection. When Bruno Mars and Rosé sing about apartments, it hits differently for Korean listeners because apartments here represent success, financial security, social status, modern lifestyle.
So next time you hear 아파트, remember, in Korea, it's not just a catchy song about a living space. It's about a cultural phenomenon that shapes society, affects the economy, and influences how millions of people live. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts about apartments in your country in the comments below. 안녕!